welcome back for another Math Talk. Shake out your monos. Let's start like we always do with our counting song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, guys. We have talked about some numbers. Man, we're going to kind of wrap it up and review what we've talked about. We talked about the number 1. We said he's the loneliest number because he's all by himself. Let's review how we write the number 1. Our poem for number 1 went like this. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line that's really quick. Let's write our number 1s. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line that's really quick. There's my number 1. We said we could show one finger. We could write the numeral or the number 1. We could draw in a picture. I'm going to draw a picture of one flower. And we can make it in a 10 frame. Remember, a 10 frame is just a box that's got spots for 10 things. So let's count and make sure we've got enough room here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's spots for 10. Are we going to fill it all the way in? No. No, we're showing the number 1. So we only need to fill in one spot on our 10 frame. Here we go. 1. That's it. So we showed number 1 by writing it. We showed it in a picture. And we showed it in a 10 frame. And with our finger. The next number we talked about was number 2. We've got a poem to write that one as well. We said, around and back the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Let's write our number 2. Around and back the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Remember, you go around and back. Around and back. Let's draw number 2 in a picture. I'm going to draw 2 sunshines. 1. Oh, there we go. 2. Drew my 2 sunshines. So we showed our 2 fingers. We wrote 2 as a number or a numeral, and we drew it in a picture. Now let's put it in a 10 frame. Let's make sure this is a 10 frame though first. It's got to have spots for 10 things. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, we're good. Are we going to fill it all the way in? Nope, we only want to show 2 because that's the number we're making. Here we go. 1. All right, am I done? No, I'm making the number 2. 1, 2. We showed it in the 10 frame. Awesome. Moving on to the number we talked about this week. What number was it? The number 3. Show me 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Good job, guys. We are going to write our numeral or our number 3, and the way we do that is with a handy-dandy poem. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. Let's do it. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. Let's draw 3 as a picture. I'm going to draw 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. I drew 3 stars in my picture. 1, 2, 3. I've shown it as a picture, I wrote it as a number, I showed it with my fingers. All that's left to do is make it in a 10 frame. Let's count to make sure this is really a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 10 frame is just a box with 10 spots. Remember, we are going to make 3 in our 10 frame. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Do I need any more? Nope, because I'm making the number 3, so I stop there. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job, guys. I want you, it's Friday. Today's the real deal. You don't need your dry erase marker. You don't. I want you to take your 3 out of your pouch. Oh, there we go. I want you to pick your favorite color of crayon, and I want you to trace your number 3s. Also, you've got some space where you can try to write it on your own. All right, if you want to work with Mom or Dad, you can talk about how you finish each pattern, and you can trace and color the patterns on the back. But for me, I really just want you to trace the number 3s, try to write a number 3 on your own, and send it in on C so I can see your beautiful work. All right, guys, I'll see you next time for another number talk. Have a great weekend.